And now for something totally different. It's a windy day here in the garden. I'm the Frugal Gardener. I'm going to make this quick. I decided to try replanting the sweet potatoes that did not grow over the summer. And I'm going to use the same method that I used to grow white potatoes in one of these small containers. This is about a little bit less than 12 inches. You can see the drainage hole there. Always remember to have your drainage. This is different in a couple of ways. Yes, the container is still small. Yes, it's sweet potatoes, but I amended the soil. I used about a cup of this green sand. I also used about a half a cup of Epsom salt, and I used about 2 cups of compost. This is added to just regular, everyday, plain old soil. And because I'm in 6B, because this is the middle of October, I'm taking a risk because I'm going to have to grow these indoors. So I'm going to plant these. Basically, you just want them beneath the surface. You don't want any of the potatoes showing. And I'm going to just stick these in here. The soil should be a little bit looser than what it is, but as long as I have everything covered, then they should be fine. They should be fine. Because these potatoes are so small, I decided to put 3 in here instead of just 1 or 2. So I will give these bad boys a quick water. Right now, it's going to 70 today, which is unusual for this time of year. But the cold weather's moving back in tomorrow. As a matter of fact, I'm talking about rain tonight and tomorrow. So I will be bringing these indoors, just like with the other uh, potato, small potato plant that I am growing. I will keep you guys posted on this also. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Let's see where this goes. Keep up with me, guys. Catch you on the next video. Have a good one.